Hey guys, it's Chad Henry for you here again, Holiday Motors, and this is the 2010 Mazda Miata Part 2. We have a request to get a driving video and a few more detailed images. So excuse my lack of production, but here we go. We're going to give you a cold start. It's 36 degrees outside right now, and we'll let it warm up a little bit while I'm putting the license plate on. Now, I did not take the time to wipe the car down, so my apologies. The first video obviously shows a much cleaner car. Not that this is dirty. We just did have quite a bit of snow. So you'll see any of that stuff. That's all that it is. Just wipes right off of there. Shut the engine off before I do that. And yes, I knew better. Nice and clean underneath of there. No signs of water. Get her set up and we'll go take her for a ride. gears. Downshifting as well. Trying not to slide that camera around too much. It's only 35 through here, so trying to go through all the gears without getting myself in trouble today. Brakes feel nice and smooth. You see the steering wheel doesn't have any chatter to it. Suspension feels good. Heat's starting to pump. Radio sounds good. All lights, everything works like it's supposed to. It's got a new Virginia State inspection on it. And this thing's ready to go. Thanks for watching. Let us know if you got any questions.